Hi peeps. So, kid-free weekend. I know all you single parents out there know what this means. A kid-free weekend is a you find shit to do weekend. And so, me and Pootie Boy were wanting to get out and about, and I always wanted to chase the sunset. I love my sunsets. And I kept getting pings about Immigration Canyon. And Sis was like, have you heard of this trail? And I was like, nah. I look it up. Anyways, we're here. And we're about to go walk this trail in 87-degree weather. I might schmelt myself. But hopefully we catch sunset. I don't know about you guys, but this Mercury retrograde, on top of all the other planets retrograde and Chiron retrograde. Jesus. I mean, have you all not just have so many truths come out right now? So much karma. So much clarity. But in the truths, in the clarity, doesn't mean there's not pain, because when you realize, or you get shown the deceit and the betrayal that was happening behind you, even though it's finally here, yeah, that fucking sucks. That's another pain to go through. I've had a rough moment for a bit, and I can't stress enough how important it is to get outside in nature, ground yourself, whether that is sunsets, creeks, the moon. Just fucking breathe.